Hi McCainers! It's time for Faves with your Faves, where some of your favorite cooking personalities, like me I hope, are going to be cooking the recipes that you submitted on the McCain website. I'm Fehmz from Instagram. You can find me there. And today, if you want to follow along the recipe with us, click here. You're going to go straight to the McCain website. The recipe we're doing today is from Omphemetse Pilane from the Northwest Province. Thank you, Omphemetse. And it's the stuffed chicken breast with savory rice using the McCain Savoury Rice and the stir-fry. We're going to start with the McCain Savoury Rice. Let me show you the easiest, cheapest way. Let's go. How's this for the best cheat ever? All you got to do is snip it, pop it into a bowl, and pop it into the microwave. No extra water. And while that's cooking in the microwave, we're going to get the rest of our dish done. We're going to add a little bit of oil and a small stick of butter. Switch it on. Let's get it melted. Straight into our pan, we're going to go with the garlic and chopped onion. Our onions are looking good. Let's get the veggies and get it into the pan. And it cooks really quickly too. So I'm going to leave my veggies for a little bit and go check on my rice in the microwave because it should be done by now, so I can get it ready for plating. Our veggies are now done. On our butterflied chicken breast, I like to season it a little bit. Once that's done, we're going to keep it in with a little bit of string. Take our chicken breast straight into the pan. Done. Now we're going to take our chicken out, pop it into our oven-proof dish, and put it into a preheated oven. So while the chicken is baking in the oven, I'm going to deglaze it with a little bit of butter, soy sauce, some tomato sauce, some chutney, with a little bit of salt, a dash of pepper, and a good sprinkling of paprika. Just a little taste. Oh wow. I'm just going to coat it a little bit in the sauce. I'm going to cut it. Thank you, Omphemetse, for this amazing recipe. I am definitely adding it as one of my favorites, and I'm going to be cooking it for the family. And before we end off, thank you for an amazing year to the McCain family. Don't forget to sign up for the monthly Made with McCain newsletter in the link below because you could win on their monthly prizes. I'm Fehmz. I'm out. Let's do this again soon.